Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you all are fine, good, cool, and having chill. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe this channel right now for getting my more tutorials and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And for purchasing any kind of Arabic SHEMAGH or turban, you guys can contact to my own brand Adil. The WhatsApp number and Telegram number is given in the description. We deliver in all over the world. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie a beautiful SHEMAGH that I'm tying right now, Omer Borkan style. So let's see how can you tie this beautiful SHEMAGH. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, so give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below because I'm just waiting for your comments. And don't forget to share this video. Allah Hafiz till my next video.